So what we're going to do next is really simple, really fun. Everybody enjoys this. We're going to make Longhorn biscuits. So you know how cattle have their long horns sticking out? This is going to be their horn today. And what we're going to do is using regular Grand's biscuits.
They open easily.
Using just the regular Grand's biscuits. We're going to take a little cooking spray, so you don't want it sticking to the wood. So you coat your dowel like that. And this is just a regular hardware store dowel. 3/4 of an inch to an inch is the perfect size to do it. You just put your biscuit up across the end and start working it down. You don't want it spots too thick. You want to try and keep it as even as possible all the way down. You get it too thick, it's going to be doughy. Get it too thin, it might burn. So that's how you make it. Now you're going to take it over to the fire, hold it over those coals, about this far above the coals. Just keep rotating it. If you tip it too much like that, as it starts to get done, it'll slide right off into the fire. So always keep it, level or a little bit up, and occasionally you might have to go reform it to your stick. Then you cook it till it's nice and golden brown all the way around. Then you bring it over here, and then we will fill it up with Nutella or strawberry jam. But as long as you're rotating it like this, slowly rotating, you won't get it burned.